Our locals.
Our locals.
Yerliler dedim, buranın yerlileri.
Eating food.
İyi, devam
Afiyet
canlı
olsun.
yayında. Görüşürüz sonra.
Bye bye. So this is very nice little area here with the water. And you see the fishing boats here. Very nice.
Kids are very cute, yeah?
Yeah.
Our kids never sit quietly like that. They're running,
Yeah.
very hyper.
Because of me, I was like this when I was a kid, and I just couldn't sit in one place. I just keep running around. We
They
never
don't
sit like
peacefully
that.
like that.
Yeah, they just like 2 minutes and they're gone. It's very active time when we are babysitting. We are exhausted usually. So these weekends being available is nice.
This Serpil in Palm Beach, she couldn't believe we had 2 kids, yeah?
We usually, when we film, we don't take our kids with us, obviously, because they're so small. And, you know, we do it while they're in daycare. And Serpil from Ladies Beach Palm Beach restaurant, the first time we came with the kids was last week. And she's like, what? You guys have kids? Like,
One
what?
is almost 7 years old, and the
She
other one
says
4.
to Mustafa, is this from your other wife?
Or from Polina.
Yeah, this is so funny. So we passed by Kuşadası. Many people really like. So this is a nice restaurant, Alibaba restaurant, which is a fish restaurant, and they have beautiful view here. This is a nice one, but we will
Alibaba,
show you
yeah.
this new one, which is owned by Kumsal restaurant owners. This is our balık ekmek. We showed you many times. Now we have tables out. This is where they have fish sandwich. A sandwich with fish inside.
Yes. Inexpensive sandwiches.
So strange to see tables out. Oh my god. Feels like the war has ended. I don't know. You guys, if you want to feel like there is no more COVID, come here. You know, it's just the masks will remind you of that.
Canlı yayındayız Ahmet abi. Look,
Locals.
boyadın mı? Boyuyorsun galiba. İyi. He is repairing his boat.
Ah, which one is his boat?
This blue one.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Merhaba.
Ömer is here. Look, he is here. Look.
Göster benim
Ve-
botu da göster.
He has a boat here. You know Mavish? He's in the Four Brothers. So
Say
when you
hi,
guys
you
opening
guys.
the restaurant?
I think soon.
Soon.
Soon?
Maybe end of this month or next month.
Is the road finished next to your restaurant?
I think it's April. They finish. Maybe we still.
April 10th maybe they will be
Yeah,
open.
April
April, beginning of April.
Very
Or
nice.
end of March.
We'll pass by.
We are waiting. Everyone
Show also
waiting.
my pot over there. Look there.
Ver coşkuyu mu?
Which one?
Is the name is Ver Coşku.
Oh, very Joshko. What's that mean?
Or like a,
I
let's have fun, something like that.
Very nice. So if you know Four Brothers, that was him from Four Brothers.
Yeah, one of the
one of
brothers.
the Four Brothers. Yeah. They call him Mavish because he has blue eyes. It's very unusual for Turkish people to have.
Let's
blue
don't go
eyes.
fish market this time.
No, we won't. But I just want to show the tables are available.
Yeah. This was my Starbucks during the pandemic.
Yeah, that little
These
tea
three,
shop right there.
there was only 3 seats in the city.
Yeah.
Because you cannot hold them, you can sit, yeah?
People are saying, hey, blue eyes, so people know Mavish. As soon as Four Brothers are open, because right now they're still reconstructing the road right next to them, so they can't really open nicely. It's not clean outside. And if they open in April, that will be the day we will go there. Oh, so nice to see all the restaurants. I wish to walk here in the evening. Well, of course, they will close at 7 p.m. as is required. But still.
Yeah, kolay gelsin.
So he's carrying paragat. This is a sort of a lined up fishing lines. Very, very long for like 300 meters inside to catch fish. It's a special method they use for fishing here in Kuşadası. I don't know in English, but it's called paragat. So very, very long line with many hooks on it. And they usually put shrimp on there to catch fish. And And this is where the most popular fish restaurants are. So usually you come and you see this big fridge of fish where you choose the fresh fish, or you can buy your own from the market. And then they cook it for you freshly. Damla is one of the popular ones here, very old restaurant.
You see that signs?
Very nice. Looks so empty
I like
without
this
the fountain.
patisserie shop here.
There's a new bakery here. There's Guverte restaurant, so this is the one that we like. It's actually upstairs. They have beautiful view because they are upstairs, and that's the stairs to go up there.
From here you go.
Yeah, from here. Sweetheart, is it okay? I'll just go through here a little bit.
Okay. Oh, let's show the. But from there you cannot enter the restaurant.
I just want to show the beautiful area.
Okay.
So this is Damla. So nice to see restaurants out, and Toros has restaurants too.
Yes.
So these are the guys, fishermen. Just
Naber?
came back. So usually they bring fish and then they sell right in the fish market, and that's their daily routine. So they put it on they put it on the auction. And here is also an area where you can have very, very nice pictures taken when you are visiting Kuşadası.
Huh? Do you want to go with the boat, he said.
No, not today, but thank you.
Not bugün değil ama başka gün geliriz.
This is a beautiful view. Look, Kuşadası, hill, and the boats. All right. So we go back in. So as you see, Toros is here. So imagine just sitting here watching this beautiful view, eating your breakfast or having nice fish. And this whole area without the fountain looks very nice. And they have made the space for the tables separated with these new planted trees. So there's a lot of space in the middle now, ready for a big crowd of tourists to pass by. So nice when you can sit already at the restaurant, right? Just imagine you're sitting right here with this beautiful view.
Oh, Mrs. Everything ready. Come. Merhaba.
So this belongs to Toro's restaurant.
Yeah, this is one of the oldest restaurants in city.
Look how nice.
Old pictures, you see.
Oh my God, bring your girlfriend here, or boyfriend, or husband, or wife.
They will accept your offer right away.
And they will, whatever you suggest, they will say, yes, darling, yes, yes, yes. It's very, very nice. So here we have seafood. So you choose your fish from here. And which one would you pick, baby? If you
Here.
Levrek, what's that?
The saltfish I like.
Oh, it doesn't have eyes.
These are usually not from the farm, they are from the ocean.
But they don't have
This
eyes.
section is from ocean, I can say.
Whoa, look at this big one. So if you order that, will you order one for me, one for you, or just one to
Yeah,
share?
one each is enough. And the salads, mezes are here.
And they will grill it?
This one they make pan fried.
Ah,
And they debone the fish by table side, you
I
know.
prefer grilled. I don't want so much oil in it.
No, they don't get oil, this one's not.
No?
No. Oh, look at this octopus salad here. Looks very inviting, baby. Look at this octopus.
So we have all these mezes.
This is my favorite here. Can you zoom that?
Meze simply means
Looks very fresh, everything.
a snack before food. But the reality is that they don't give you nothing else next to your fish except salad. And so you usually order these side dishes.
Eggplants.
This is eggplant. And this is what?
This is fava beans.
Fava beans. So if you're a vegetarian, oh my God, it's an amazing place to be. And Turkey is really famous with all these homemade foods and healthy options. You definitely could lose weight if you stay away from baklava.
Everything looks promising here, I can tell you guys. Everything promising.
Like, you know, this looks like bok choy, is it?
No, this is like a cauliflower, baby cauliflowers, before they grow.
but this looks so good. What is this?
Octopods,
Oh,
like Greek style.
yeah, my goodness. Russian
Like,
salad.
I don't need to order
Oh.
fish. If I eat these mezes, few of them, I will be okay.
And what's that?
This is shellfish, you know, this midye
Midias.
without rice.
Yeah, everything looks very yummy. So usually
Yes.
when you come, you select a few, like 2 or 3 to eat next to your fish.
I like this civilization. Look at this.
Yeah, it's nice, yeah?
Yeah.
You know, everything, the world is going towards healthy options, and Turkey is already there, you know?
And in Turkey, these aluminate cookings, like aluminate, let's say, plates for the fruits and then salads. I like this style.
Yeah, I like it too very much. And now we enter this newly reopened, renovated place, Kazım Usta. What's that mean, Kazım Usta?
Kazım is the name, Usta is the chef. Kazım chef.
And they have renovated recently, and this is the third day that they are officially open.
They renovate, like, oh my god.
They were working on it like 3.5 months, or maybe longer. And they really set up very, very nice.
We should come here for breakfast. Definitely. Tomorrow. Kolay gelsin.
So this is again the mezes like we saw in the other restaurant. See all of the good options here. All of amazing things.
The kitchen.
And this is the kitchen right here. So this
Looks
is
very
where we
similar
have-
to Kumsal Beach kitchen, yeah?
It's so nice you can actually see the kitchen, yeah?
Yeah.
Kolay
Merhaba.
gelsin. Very nice.
Kuşadası.
Yes, see Kuşadası, yes.
He knows
You used
us.
to work in,
I follow Kuşadası sen.
so
yeah?
you used to work in Kumsal Beach?
Yeah, Kumsal Beach.
You came from there?
Yeah.
You used to work in Kumsal Beach?
Same boss.
Oh, very nice.
Same, yeah. Same honor.
We love Long Beach Kumsal restaurant. Yeah,
So
so
we,
same
tomorrow we will come for breakfast. Yarın kahvaltıya geleceğiz. Açık değil mi?
honor.
Evet.
Very nice. Thank you. Kolay gelsin.
Sağ ol.
Nice. You can look at the kitchen from here.
Oh, let's show the fishes.
Okay, let's show
Or
the
fish, not
Fish.
fishes.
Let's show the fish.
That's the most expensive fish right now here. Look, there is no farm fish here.
No?
No,
Wow.
everything sea fish.
So which one would you pick?
Now here we are talking about how many people we are.
You and me.
You and me. This red fish in the middle.
Sharing 2 of us?
Yes.
And how much we're gonna pay for it?
This fish around 1 kilo. Per kilo around 250 lira. 250 lira and mezes. We end up with wines and everything 450 with tips 500.
Wow. That's a fancy dinner for
Or we
Kuşadası.
can get 2 fish like this.
And then will be like 200.
No, this, yeah, like, we will pay maybe 450 total. This is saltfish. Saltfishes are really good. They are aphrodisiacs. They say like that.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, don't eat them right now. Let me show inside a little bit.
Oh, they had bar there. Used to know bar. Let's go to the bar.
Oh, nice new tables. And this beautiful flooring.
They had floor heating system here. I saw they were putting for winter.
Wow. So we
So
all come
it's
out
gonna
here.
be nice in winter too, like a home.
Oh, I love this. Tomorrow we can come for breakfast, yeah?
Yeah.
Wow.
We should sit by the by the window.
It has become this beautiful place. I love it so much.
You feel like you're on your own private yacht.
I'm just so happy right now. I feel like the world is back to life, you
Yeah.
know? The world is back, you guys. Just missing you at this table. Missing you right here. This moment. Look at the blue sky waiting for you to come. Come here soon.